videos. So guys, layoffs in Indian IT industry are going on everywhere, but I'm hearing some stories that are really hard to believe. Like some professionals, those who have been actively engaged in a project and they are like doing well and there's no complaint from the manager, still they are being forced to like put down their paper, resign. Okay, I mean, you know how such pressures work, how these tactics work. And the reason is also not given in most of the cases, but the only thing comes out is like budget constraint, price, profitability of the project. Because the way your seniority grows, your salary grows, it comes back to the cost. And moreover, especially in IT, if you are doing some job, if the management thinks that someone who is like getting half of your salary can do the job, can do this, and then they have the benefit of using AI too, that AI can help juniors achieve the same level of results that someone highly experienced would achieve, because AI has increased the efficiency when used positively, right, for everyone. Okay, so this is where this scope is coming for management to get rid of highly paid employees, because at the end of the day their aim is to reduce the cost for the company. That's what they are being paid for. So it's a really sad reality, but we all have to be ready. Now what you can do, like be aware, always have backups, understand if you are working in a huge organization, just don't restrict yourself to your project. Keep an eye on other projects too where you could be a fit, have some contacts over there too. And also keep an eye on the market, establish your network on LinkedIn to other organizations too. Remember, you have to do this while you are working, because if anything bad happens to you, you will be under tremendous pressure to take these routes. So better you take these routes when you are working. At the same time, keep updating your knowledge level, skill level. Basically, you need to justify, if you are making high amount of salary, that with the even with the use of an AI tool, how a junior layer employee cannot be a good fit for the role, and it should go only to you. Because believe me guys, your experience, you might have on-site experience, you might have extensive project experience, these or most of these things come down to your salary. Money speaks a lot, and money speaks for itself, guys. We all know that. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.